Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 15th. Market analysis. After the Trump administration announced that it would exempt some countries from high tariffs on electronic products, the market risk aversion declined, and the spot gold market remained at a historical high. On this trading day, after the Asian market opened in early trading, the market surged slightly and then fluctuated within the community. At present, the trading volume is around $3,225 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. From a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of $32.17 to $32.33, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 3,233 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $32.43 to $32.53. If the afternoon market breaks 3,217 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $32.07 to $31.97. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar fluctuated at a high level in hours and at a high level in the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1306 and 1.1369. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1369 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1409 to 1.1450. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1306 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1270 to 1.1220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a high shock stage on the hourly chart and in a shock stage on the 15-minute chart, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3166 to 1.3224. If the market breaks 1.3224 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3260 to 1.3290. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3166 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3100 to 1.3060. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a high level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6315 to 0.6377. If the market breaks 0.6377 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6420 to 0.6460. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6315 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6270 to 0.6220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is at a low level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 142.75 to 143.60. If the market breaks 143.60 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.00 to 144.40. If the afternoon market breaks 142.75 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.00 to 141.70. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.